Let's move across to the another video जहाँ हम देखेंगे basic installation requirement for the Google ADK part. So in the last video we have just discovered the documentation and all. Now we are just going to the implement. So basically कुछ installation of prerequisite and we are just going to the implementation part before we are going. पहले सबसे पहले आपको Python 3.12 वर्जन इंस्टॉल करना है. कोई सा भी कर सकते हो बट स्टिल 3.12 इज मोर रिलायबल एज ऑफ नाउ. और 3.12 से अबव भी करो तो ट्राई बेटर ही है. For the window perspective this and you can just search that part. For the Mac OS अगर आप installation करना चाहते हो तो brew install python directly लिख सकते हो. With the help of brew you can just directly install. And then sudo for the Linux sudo apt update and just use this command for the sudo apt installation. Create and activate or virtual environment आपको create करना आना चाहिए. How you can just create the virtual environment? Python -m vnb and then you just need to activate this and Windows for the Mac OS and this this is the way you can just do it. And some of the Python module how you can just install pip installation and the module that you have to require like अपन को Google ADK की जरूरत होगी तो वो requirement. For this module we need to install we need to take care of these modules stack back तो requirement of tst हमें चाहिए होती है. You have already known the regarding of this. And then the check installation, this is the check installations part and all. And if you want to deactivate your virtual environment you can just deactivate this part. Then in the nextly just go through with the Google Studio part, AI Studio, and just search about key generations and you can just generate your key with the live APIs key. In the next video we just discovered how you can just generate your Google Studio key and all. And then we have just started with the implementation with the help of Python in virtual environment creation with the Scratch or basic application of the Google ADK. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Yes.